Teslyar Wood Phone Docking Station. The Teslyar docking station is a multifunctional charging station and organizer. It makes it easy for you to charge your cell phone and keep other daily use gadgets close by. It's made of the best high-quality solid wood and perfectly fits into any interior style. It has compartments for wallets, phones, documents, watches, glasses, keys, fitness trackers, bracelets, stationery, and so much more. The docking station has a smoothly polished surface that protects your gadgets and ensures they don't get damaged. The stand has a smart design and is easy to assemble. If you wish to read my entire review, please check out the page below for more information.